Well, it has been more than 24 hours since a Mexican Navy plane crashed into Galveston Bay, and one person is still unaccounted for. That person is now presumed dead, bringing the total death toll to 6. Crews have worked tirelessly all day long trying to find that last remaining victim. Gage Goulding was out on the water with them as they search for answers.
We're heading out to the site of the wreckage in Galveston Bay. That's where a massive search operation is going on right now. You have Texas EquiSearch, Galveston Police, Galveston Sheriff's Office, and the Coast Guard. Everybody looking for that one person that's still missing after that plane went down Monday.
That's the wreckage right there.
Just a mile and a half from Galveston Schulz International Airport, the wreckage of this plane sits in Galveston Bay.
Yeah, it's a big chunk of it right here.
Ben Pederick is our captain today. He's also using sonar to scan the floor of the bay.
Yeah, that's all debris.
Looking for pieces of the airplane that crashed in that dense fog.
I found a bunch of pieces on my side scan.
From above, the Coast Guard scanning the bay. In the water, Texas EquiSearch using tech like handheld sonar and underwater drones. And beside them on boats and in boots, Galveston Police and Sheriff's Office with dive teams and deputies. They're working against cold, murky water and the mangled wreckage. The one thing that's been helping search crews out here is how shallow the water is. Check this out. Our boat right now is sitting in about 10.5 feet of water, but where those crews are, where that wreckage is, so shallow, they can stand.
It helped speed the process up. It allowed fire to conduct their extrication much more effectively.
Galveston Police Lieutenant Sean Miguez leads these divers in the water today. One of his dive team members was actually among the first who jumped in the water minutes after the crash. Del Everett and his neighbor helped get them there on their boat.
But it's starting to really sink in. The things I heard and the things I saw was a little horrific.
What happens from here? What's the next step in this this search aspect?
So we're in a search and recovery mode now. So we're going to continue widening our search pattern.
Do you think that this is a search operation that maybe will take more than 1, 2, 3 days?
It's possible.
The FAA and the NTSB both tell me they are now investigating, and salvage crews could begin removing the wreckage from Galveston Bay as early as Tuesday night. Reporting in Galveston, Gage Goulding, KPRC-2 News.
Well, only on 2 tonight,